wherever I say how, it is in turn associated with what tools and techniques, which people, and what cadence, when. So all of that goes in management plan, in any management plan, not just in schedule management plan. Okay. A schedule management plan talks about the how of schedule, which means that uh, uh, what different schedule management models plus tools we are going to. There are many scheduling tools like Microsoft Project, like Asana. If you are uh, if you are talking about a project portfolio management, then maybe Primavera is very well suited for that. So which model plus tool are going to be used? That's also going to be discussed in there. Which unit of schedule you are going to use? Now, maybe someone would assume in their head that why the unit would be measured. It's always going to be days. Maybe in your case, it's always days. Maybe in someone else's case, it's going to be quarter, because they are planning a huge, very long term project, maybe 5 years project, maybe 10 years project. In that case, probably scheduling on the basis of days is very hectic. So they may want to have a few of weeks or maybe months, whatsoever apply. So what is going to be the unit? And that it can be at a team level, it may be different. At a customer level, this may be different. At a senior management level, it can be really, it happens this way. Your senior management do not really want to have a plan versus actual view at a very hourly or daily manner. They want to have it like very uh, you know uh, 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 a collapsed version of your plan versus actual. For the reason that they are not interested in the day-to-day things happening in the project. So you need to decide the a unit of measure over here in this how part, how the schedule is going to be presented for different level of audience in the project. How the performance for the schedule is going to be measured, and who is going to take the charge for that, what different sessions are going to be performed for performance tracking, with whom it is going to be done, team level or suppliers or different other members in the project. So all of this is going to be there. Maybe if you have a template-based structure, you have a PMO where enterprise PMO or some sort of structure where some processes and rules and regulations are already built for schedule management, and everybody is supposed to be following that. So that can also be applied, that you are going to use that formatted template and the different do's and don'ts of your schedule management and planning based on your organizational guidance. Different processes for schedule management always goes in the management plan. Same is the case with scope management plan. Same is the case with cost management plan. That how different processes are going to be executed one after the other. For instance, first define activities, then schedule activities, then estimate activities, then creating the project schedule. Like in an order, you should be mentioning that. This is a PMI way of representing it. At times in the practical projects, some processes are merged, some processes are further elaborated, whatever works for you. But you need to have a picture in front of you that how this planning and execution and monitoring and controlling for the schedule would look like. So that would go in the, sorry, that would go in there. And different reporting formats for, especially for tracking, like how the CPI would look like, how the SBI would look like, how the S curves would look like. If this sounds like very alien to you, you just you can skip this part. But how different schedule performance at different levels in your project you want to represent. So reporting formats for schedule performance and tracking. So whenever somebody asks you that is your project on track, you should have a way of saying yes or no. It's not only a yes or no, it should have a representation in the form of a report. So that also is defined in the form of a format in management planning. So this last part, this is going to be done in detail. So let's, yes, accuracy.